Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to deregister devices from your Amazon Prime account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. At the top right, here's your profile name along with your profile picture. Simply hover over it and something like this will open up. Well, right here, just below your account, you'll see something like account and settings. Do note that there are lots of features available here, but we're currently only focusing on account and settings. I'm gonna click on this button right here. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. That's account and settings. Well, right now, we only want to sign out the devices which we do not require. So let's directly go to devices. The tab's right in between subtitle and language. I'm gonna click on devices right now. And right here, you can see here are the devices that are connected to my account. And let's just say I want to sign out some devices. Right here is a device that I want to sign out, and right next to the device registration, on the rightmost section, you'll see something like sign out. Simply click on the button here and give your confirmation, hit on sign out. And that's about it guys, that's how you sign out or deregister devices from your Amazon Prime account. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.